Hello. Today we are going to solve this problem. It's saying determine the perimeter of triangle PQR in terms of x. So this is our triangle PQR. This is our triangle. This is P. This is where our Q is. This is where our R is. But if we are to check from the drawn diagram, which shows extra information provided, this U is a midpoint. Sorry. This U is a midpoint of P, R, then this S is a midpoint of QR, then this T is a midpoint of QP. So if we are to check from the midpoint theorem, it means a line drawn joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle will be parallel to the third side. So here it's midpoint, here it's midpoint. So it means this line here is parallel to this line. Then when we are here it's midpoint, here it's midpoint. So it will therefore mean that this line is parallel to this line. The same is going to apply here. Here it's midpoint of this line, here it's midpoint of this line. So it means this line here is parallel to this line. So as we can see now, when we come here, this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this line. So we can now conclude that we now have a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. So if we are to check in this parallelogram, TUSQ, this one, it means this side of the parallelogram is equal to this side. So it therefore means this is equal to x plus 5 because the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. But you are told that this is equal to this. Therefore, it means here is also equal to x plus 5. It's given that this is equal to this. You come to the other side, is still on this parallelogram. So it means this side is equal to this side. So here it's going to be 6 minus 3x. This, and you are given this is equal to this. This is going to be 6 minus 3x. Then if you check, this side is parallel to this side, then this side is parallel to this side. So this again is a parallelogram here. So it therefore means that this side will be equal to this side. So it means here it's gonna be equal to 2x plus 1 again. Then here again it's gonna be 2x plus 1 again because we are given that these two sides are equal. So it therefore means this entire size PR is going to be this plus this. If you add those two, it means we are now going to get 4x plus 2. Then when you come this side, if you add this and this, we are going to get 12 minus 6x. When you come to the other side, this and this, you are going to get 2x plus 10 for the entire side. Then we go and answer the question that you are being asked. They want you to answer the perimeter. They want you to answer the perimeter. Perimeter, it means the distance right round. Perimeter, we want the distance right round. We want the distance right round. Therefore, it means we are going to say our perimeter will be equal to 2x plus 10 plus 4x plus 2 plus 12 minus 6x. Well, let's simplify. 2x plus 4x is 6x minus 6x. So it means this one, we are going to get 0. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. So it means our perimeter is going to be 24 units. Right. That is one way. Alternatively, what are we going to say? We're still going to come and deduce these dimensions as done here. But now, as you can see, it means we can conclude that triangle TUS is similar to the bigger triangle. Here TU, this side is going to correspond with this side where they are parallel. So it's then this side, US, this one, it's gonna be this one. So it simply means it's similar to triangle R. It's gonna be RQP. Because if we are to check TU here is this one, which is linking with this side. If you check US here, it's linking with this one, which is having QP and the other one. So since these two triangles are similar, we can calculate now the relationship between their sides. You just have to check the two sides which are corresponding. You end up realizing that TU is to RQ. TU is to RQ, any corresponding side that you get, because we have already the sides here, it's gonna be equal to 1 is to 2. In other words, we are going to say 2 TU is equal to RQ, the bigger side. So from this ratio, we prove that those two are similar. It just means that this, when you calculate the perimeter of the smaller triangle, just multiply it by this, which we extracted from the ratio of similarity. So if we are to check the perimeter of the smaller triangle, this one was perimeter of triangle PQR. So in other words, we are saying the perimeter of triangle PQR will be equal to perimeter of that smaller triangle. We are given its dimensions. Perimeter of triangle, perimeter of triangle, the smaller triangle, PQR. Let's use it. Let's follow the order. So it's gonna be SUT multiplied by 2. So what's the perimeter of SUT? It simply means you are going to say X plus 5 plus 2X plus 1 plus 6 minus 3X. Then this whole thing multiplied by 2. As you can see, X plus 2X is 3X. Then it takes down that minus 3X. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 times 2, we are now going to get 24 units. Thank you.